guys, I got my phone. I am so excited. iPhone 12. All right, and I'm gonna open it up. It's almost there. All right, let's do this. I've been waiting for this to have this, right? I think so. To like get to it. I'll order something, then I'm like checking the mailbox the next day. I'm crazy. All right, don't know what this is, but whatever with my phone. All right, okay. What's this? Oh, casemate, 10-foot drop protection. It's in there. So that's kind of weird. I don't know. I don't even know how to open it. Maybe I'm trying to like open it to see if I'm like tripping. But yeah, no. All right. I don't know. That's kind of weird. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, there's some foam. And I see a phone. I don't know. Okay, so it's in an iPhone 11 Pro Max Gold 64 gig case. Card? Never got a thank you card either. Let's see. Okay. There's a phone in here. Designed by Apple. Okay, so let's set that to the side. Ooh. We got the labels. I'm always down with the labels. I put that on my phone. Okay, let's see about the phone because it's confusing me that it's in an iPhone. Guys, what is this? What? This does not look like this.
Something came in the mail today and I could not believe it. I'm talking the iPhone 12. I couldn't believe it myself. The box is right here from Apple. Brand new. Let me get my knife here and we're just gonna dig into this box and just unleash the contents. I'm talking iPhone, baby. So we're gonna make a nice incision. All right, let's pop her open. Smell it. Okay, yeah, I can smell it. Woo! Oh yeah, it's a nice little like, very interesting though. Cool. Nice little innovative design by Apple once again, you know, Steve Jobs. All right, here we go. Here is the iPhone. You can see it right there. Apple, nice, crispy, dude. I got the black one. I don't know what you guys prefer, but you know, stealth is the mission. That's the key, dude. Okay, so let's go ahead and get my knife back and slice her open. Unveil the glory. Wait a minute. Oh, there seems to be a mix-up at the plant because it came with some hummus and pita, it looks like. Wow, okay. So you can see the pita bread right here and the hummus. Interesting enough, and it fit right there. I mean, you know, I was expecting the iPhone 12 like, you know, they told me, but
today I'm so excited because I'm gonna make an unboxing video for my brand new upcoming iPhone 12 128 gigabits. The phone should be new, wrapped, and no problem with it. Also, I'm so excited and I can't wait anymore, so let me get started to unwrap this package and let's see the new iPhone 12 I just bought, okay? And this is the package. It's a little weird, but I don't know. Sounds like the phone is in there, okay? Here. Okay. Confidentially. Okay. I think the first one is done. Okay. Shit. What the fuck? Shit. What the fuck? Okay. Let's keep going on. He's very well roped. Okay. Oh shit, it's very well roped. How I said. And hope this is the final one. Shit. Okay. And that's the phone, I think.
I'm doing an unboxing video of the new iPhone 12. This is the first time I've ever bought a new phone, and I've had my crappy phone for like 3 years now, and like buttons don't even work on it anymore. And I'm getting myself a new phone. I'm setting myself up, have better technology and easier to get a hold of people. And okay, so the box isn't that heavy, to be honest. I guess. I love this stuff. Okay, so charger. There's an iPhone charger. Okay, open. This is a charger bottom, but I call it a butt just because, you know, you plug stuff into it, so works for a charger. So far, no iPhone. I think that's how far as it goes. It did say it came with a pair of headphones, so let's see what's in here. I mean, it's weird that they have it in this because they're Apple. They look completely used. Okay, so there's a phone case, but this isn't an iPhone 12 phone case. Not at all. Like, you can just tell by the camera. OtterBox though. I don't know if you can see that. OtterBox. But definitely not iPhone 12. And here's the phone. It's not iPhone 12 at all. I mean, I think it's a 7 probably. See if it works. Hopefully. Okay, it turns on. Why would they send me a 7 if I ordered a 12? It's just.
I ordered on a pre-iPhone 12 pre. So yeah, the normal one obviously didn't yet come out. So this is like a pre-iPhone 11. I don't know how to say it else. Yeah, I don't really know where it is anymore. I can't find it. So that's not a good sign to start yet. So okay, I'm excited that it arrived pretty late. It took like 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, it's like a paper in front of it. I'm excited. What is this? It's like why is it on eBay? Okay, and then Just two random pictures of two dogs. What the fuck? Yeah, made in China and some random QR code, I don't know. Okay, what else is in here? This card. I don't know what it is. So the phone itself, it looks pretty much like an iPhone 11. Maybe it's just a box from an iPhone 11, I don't know. 128 gigabytes. And it looks like it has been, I don't know if you can see it, it's like closed with this just normal tape. Okay. I'm curious, so let's find out. Oh fuck it. Okay. Ooh. What will be inside? What? It's all broken. What? Look. The screen is just all broken. What? Also the back side is just all cracked. And it says, yeah, iPhone designed by Apple. Doesn't start or anything.